Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel bread toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1/4 cup of water and a tiny pinch of salt for that perfect caramel. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a spatula ready to go. Now, let's create that luscious caramel. In your non-stick pan, combine the 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this over medium flame, resisting the urge to stir. Watch as it transforms into a gorgeous amber hue, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it reaches that perfect color, take it off the heat and carefully stir in 1 tablespoon of butter and your pinch of salt. With our caramel ready, it's time to toast the bread. Return your pan to medium-low heat and melt the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter. Place your 2 bread slices into the pan, making sure they soak up all that buttery goodness. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a delightful crispness. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Take your perfectly toasted bread and generously drizzle that warm, homemade caramel sauce over both sides. Let the caramel set for just about 30 seconds, allowing it to slightly thicken. Serve your delicious caramel bread toast immediately to enjoy its warm, sweet, and slightly crunchy perfection. It's a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.